What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If you're new, thanks for joining me in. Please smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we have our 2008 Saab 9.5, and I am about to change out the headlights, and it's a great upgrade for a lot of you guys that don't have the xenon headlights on your Saabs. These LED lights that I'm about to show you make the headlights so much brighter. It changes everything for you at night. I've done this video before on my 2002 Saab 9.3 convertible, and if you guys like to see it on the 9.5, well, you're about to see it on the 9.5 regardless. So stay tuned for more. Let's hop into this. Alright guys, so here it is. Before we unbox it, it's called Morimoto. I will link everything down in the description. I also have these resistors for the car. They're H7 bulbs in your 9.5. And the resistor, just so you guys know, kind of tricks the car into letting it know that the light bulbs are working, so you don't have a headlight failure come up, because obviously LED bulbs do not use the same amount of voltage or wattage or whatever it might be that a traditional halogen bulb does. So let's open these suckers up and let's get to it. All right guys, so here it is. Beautiful packaging. I guess that's what you really pay for in these things. Just kidding. But here it is. You get one bulb per box in this situation here. And what's kind of cool is that these are LEDs and they have their own cooling system in here. They're all, like, I don't know, able to cool themselves. So here it is. And as you guys can see, this is the plug-in for the H7 to the resistor, which is like that. And then this side goes right into the factory harness. And then obviously this bulb just kind of mounts into the headlight, just like the stock OEM bulb does. So it's going to be very hard for you guys to watch me behind this bulb install this, so I figured I'd just give you the visual right here. It's pretty straightforward. Alright guys, so we have one of the lights in there. I forgot to hit record, so I'll show you now. But there you go, we have the resistor in. It says check OK. And I just want you guys to see how much brighter this really is. And you guys can see how bright that is, and obviously much cleaner. So that is pretty fantastic. It looks like a, you know, a regular xenon light in there, which is sweet. So now that this is in there, you know, the actual original mount does not fit since that's so massive. So we're gonna have to figure out how to secure this bulb in there from falling out, which shouldn't be too big of a deal. And we'll go from there. Stay tuned. All right guys, so just an update for you. This is the resistor. Everything's just sitting on the side here and tucked away. It's like perfect. I cut a little hole on the side here for the wires to go through, and that cover can go back on to the car, like you guys can see. And it actually presses right up onto the back side of that headlight, so it's going to actually hold everything right into place. And just to secure this even more is I might just put a little fastener on here, maybe like a piece of tape or something, just to actually hold it into place. But it should be pretty solid. So just a little update for you on this side. Now I'm just going to test it one more time, make sure it's working. Should be good. Alright guys, both headlights are in now. Starting, checking. Okay. Now let's go ahead and give you guys the final rundown here. And what's nice about these units are so big that the locking mechanism will not go over them. But if you guys watched me in the camera there, I kind of snipped the bottom of this rubber here to get the wires to kind of poke through. So at least the cover is still on like it would stock. And the good thing is that the headlight actually rests right up onto the back of the cover. So the cover will actually hold the bulb into place, because it shouldn't really actually move. So hopefully it should be good. But you guys can see we got headlights, and they're bright. And let's just try our high beams. So high beams are on. And the high beams on this car, as you guys can see, are a little bit of a different bulb, so should be all set. Damn, boys, there she be, the Copart 9.5, nice and bright. Casey, right. Casey, you like those light bulbs on that car? They look good? All right, guys, so stay tuned for more. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. This was just a quick video for you guys on how to change your entire life with your Saab if you have halogen bulbs in there. So there you guys go. Nice and bright LEDs from Morimoto. I'll link the resistors in the description as well as the product. You know, 120 bucks I believe it is for the bulbs. It's really not so bad to give this a nice life-changing upgrade. So stay tuned for more. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, and of course share this video. Helps YouTube share this video to the world, so it's obviously very helpful for me. So we'll keep you guys posted for more as things come on. So if you guys want to chat with me at Pancis on Instagram, you guys can do that. Follow me there, and keep you guys posted. Have a great one. Guys, it's an inside scoop, and that's a wrap.